Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we'll use a worked example to solve a related question on determinant of matrices. In case you missed our lesson on minors and cofactor of a matrix, please do not hesitate to check the description below. We have placed links to those lessons to ensure you get them. That said, let's get started. The question wants us to find the determinant of matrix A. Like I said in our last lesson, you can just symbolize determinant this way. In case you missed our lessons, our introductory lesson to determinant, please do not hesitate to check the description below. I'll place a link to that lesson. And to ensure you get our lessons anytime we create them, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be sure to get our lessons anytime we create them. Now, so the determinant of matrix A will come from 1. First, assign signs to the first row of this matrix. This will be plus, minus, and this will be plus. We pick the minus. Now we pick the minus of the elements of the first row of this matrix. Now to find the minor of the element of the first row, this is 5. Like I said in our lesson on minus of a matrix, you pick the column and you pick the row. Now you now pick the elements that are not within that row. So this will be 5. That will be plus 5 times the determinant of 3, 8, 9, and 6. Now the next element is 2. So now it's a negative 2. We target minus 2 because of the sign on 2. Now into, you pick the elements that are not within the row and the column of this matrix. That is, the element that will form the minor of this matrix. That'll give us 1, 8, 7, and 6. And plus 4. We have plus 4. Now into the elements that are out of this row and out of the column where 4 falls in. That will be 1, 3, 7, and 9. This way, I can now begin to look for the determinant of A. Now, the determinant of A now will come from, I have 5 into 3 times 6, that's 18, minus 9 times 8, that's 72. What I've done here is just the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Now, minus 2 into 1 times 6, that's 6, and 7 times 8, that's 56. Minus 56. Plus, now I have 4. That will be 4 into 1 times 9, that's 9, minus 7 times 3, that's 21. What I've been doing is finding the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. And in case you missed our lesson on determinant of matrix where we introduce determinant, please kindly check the description below. That'll be 5 into 18 minus 72. That'll be 18 minus 72 is 4 is 6, that's 5, that's 54 if I'm not mistaken. That's minus 54. Minus 54 because obviously 72 is bigger than 18, so that it will always be in the negative. Minus 2 into 6 minus 56, that's minus 50. That's minus 50. Plus 4 now into 2 minus 9 minus 21, that's minus 12. Minus 12. And so that the determinant of A obviously will be the same thing as 5 times minus 50 minus 54, that's minus 270. And 2 minus 2 times minus 50, that's plus 100. Minus and 4 times, that's minus 48. Obviously, the determinant of A will be the same thing as minus 270 plus 100, that's minus 170 minus 48. That's equals to minus 2 1, 8. And this is the determinant of matrix A. Now with this, I hope you understand how to solve questions relating to determinant of a matrix. In our next maths class, we'll solve further examples to help us understand it better. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.